I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math-maticTV. So for today we're going to continue our topic about differential equations. So today I'm going to discuss the differential equation found by inspection or solved by inspection. So I have a given 6 problem here, which is for the number 1, the derivative of a product, which is dxy is equal to x dy plus y dx. So if you still remembered your differential calculus, so this will be easy for you to recognize all this formula. So for number 2, the derivative of a quotient, which is dx over y, will be equal to y dx minus x dy over y squared. For the number 3, the derivative of y over x will be equal to y dx minus x dy over x squared. 4, d arctan y over x will be equal to x dy minus y dx over x squared plus y squared. And for the number 5, which is the derivative of arctan x over y will be equal to y dx minus x dy over x squared plus y squared. And for the last one, which is the derivative of x squared plus y squared will be equal to 2x dx plus 2y dy. So you can apply this in solving differential equation, which is by replacing d or the derivative of d or the derivative xy, derivative of x over y, if you can see in the equation, like x dy plus y dx and so on. So first, you need to recognize all or familiarize all of this formula. So let's start. I have given 2 problems here, so I will show how to apply this formula in solving differential equations. Y times 2xy plus 1 dx minus x dy equal to 0. So first, I will distribute the y. This will become y, or this will become 2xy squared plus y dx then minus x dy equal to 0. Then for the second one, I will distribute the dx. So this will become 2xy squared dx plus y dx then minus x dy equal to 0. So now maybe you notice or recognize that y dx minus x dy is look like the derivative of xy, but there's a missing in the denominator, which is y squared. So this will be easy to put y squared in the denominator by multiplying 1 over y squared both sides. So hence this will become 2xy squared dx over y squared, of course, then plus y dx minus x dy over y squared equal to 0. So I just split the into 2, so we can easily recognize this equation, which is y dx minus x dy over y squared, because this is equal to dx over y. So hence this will become 2x dx, because y squared will be cancelled, then plus the derivative of x over y equal to 0. So now if we're going to integrate 2x dx, then plus the integral of dx over y equal to 0. This will be equal to x squared plus x over y rather. So this is supposed to be over y, then equal to c. So hence our final answer, or the general solution, is x squared plus x over y equal to c. So let's proceed to the last example. X minus, so this is number 2, x minus y dy equal to x minus y dx. So again, let's just distribute first the dy. This will become x dy minus y dy equal to x dx minus y dx. So if I'm going to transpose y dx in the left side, this will become plus y dx and equal to x dx plus y dy. And maybe you notice that x dy plus y dx is the derivative of a product, which is dxy, and x dx plus y dy, this it can't be this is not the same in the left side, so we can't use the formula in the right side, which is x dx plus y dy, because they are different. So since we recognize that this is the derivative of dxy, or the derivative of a product, we can replace this into dxy, then equal to x dx plus y dy. So now if we're going to integrate this integral of dxy equal to integral of x dx plus the integral of y dy, this is equal to, this will be equal to xy, then equal to 1/2 x squared, then plus 1/2 y squared plus c. And we can simplify this by multiplying both sides by 2. This will become 2xy equal to x squared plus y squared, then plus c. Hence, this is our general solution. So I will add more example about inspection, maybe a part 2 for this video, maybe later. But for now, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.